notice that the app on iPhone is buggy, unresponsive, or just frozen? Let me show you how to fix this. Watch to the end and I will give a tip on how to automate the process of closing background apps. So to access our recently opened apps or buggy apps on the iPhones with Face ID, you are gonna just swipe up from the bottom of the display to the middle till this list of recently opened apps will be opened. If you have home button, then you're gonna double click that home button to open recents. And to close app from recents, stop its background activity, just swipe the app up like that. With this way, you can close more than one app, but two if you use your two fingers, or maybe three. So just swipe the app up and it will be closed. But the thing is that iOS is designed to manage background apps intelligently. When you leave an app, it's usually put into a suspended state. It's not using CPU, battery, or network unless it's doing specific background tasks, like music playback or navigation. So when you manually close an app and then reopen it, iOS has to fully reload it into memory, which uses more battery than just resuming it from a suspended state. But it's okay to close apps from recents when the app is frozen, buggy, or unresponsive. And that's it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.